Hi everyone. We are not far away from San Marcos, Texas, in the little town of Maxwell, Texas. Unincorporated, but they do have a little intact downtown somewhat. You got El Jefe's Cantina. Good. Sorry. And we've got the Maxwell barbecue, brisket and sausage. Okay, you know that's going to be good. That has to be good. That might be the reason why you come to Maxwell, just to go to this barbecue place. They got brisket, pork chops, pork ribs, desserts, chicken, and sausage. Oh man. And then right next door is Sweets and Stuff. A little bakery. And next to that is well, I'm not sure what that is. Maybe somebody lives there. Oh, they got a table out there. I'm not sure. But wait, there's more. There's a very interesting building in this little town. And we're going to check it out. It's got some very interesting architecture on the roof and large columns which are boarded up. It's too bad, but that's a really big building. Look how far deep it goes. Somebody's using it. It's got an air conditioner. It's got a brand new door, so this could be a restoration. So what do y'all think this building was? Got a nice little dental architecture on the top. Yep, very neat. Very nice door. And here's the other side. There's a big old building. Can't read, you can barely see the words, but I can't make out the words, but there are something indicating what that building was at one point. Right across here is another interesting old building with a shovel on the roof. I think the Maxwell people call it the shovel on the roof building. That's what I would call it. And they emphatically do not want you to trespass, so we won't. There we go. This is Maxwell. Look at that house right there. Oh, hey, look at this building right here. The blacksmith. This is where you got your horseshoes done. That building is not going to make it for another 100 years, but at least it has made it long enough to make a video on strolling Texas. And just take a look at this house right here. It is all leaning over. It is going to fall. That's a goner. Too bad. That probably was a nice house back in the day. Okay, everybody. We are in Maxwell, Texas. It's a little sleepy town right by the railroad tracks. Come for the barbecue. Get a drink at El Jefe's, although you might be risking your life. I'm not sure. There's the back end of that complex of buildings. since we're in such a small town, might as well give that front look another look before we conclude. This is a Plaza Juarez. Okay, so Maxwell even has a plaza. So this is high class stuff. I'll take another look at this little area real quick. This is El Jefe's. These are the warning signs. You're not responsible for damage, theft of vehicles. And then before you go into El Jefe's, you gotta enter at your own risk. Not liable for personal injuries. So yeah, you need to be on your guard. Okay, we just toured Maxwell, Texas, and I appreciate you coming along with me. Neat little town. Come for the Maxwell barbecue. If you do, tell me how it is. And as always, and remember, you're all dearly loved. I'm not sure I'm brave enough to get me a beer in El Jefe's. Maybe next time. I'm sure it's fun. I'm sure it's fun. Look, this car has the El Jefe thing on the back of it, so he might be the owner. Alright, see you everybody. Bye-bye.